From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning and happy Monday. I'm student meteorologist Pham here with your Monday afternoon forecast. Here across the state, we're seeing mostly sunny skies with just a few fair weather cumulus clouds across Du Bois, Pittsburgh, and Harrisburg, but ultimately we're being really dominated by a high pressure system that's not allowing those clouds to really develop, and thus we're left with mainly sunny skies across much of the state here. Current temperatures have recovered quite nicely from this morning. This morning we were sitting into the 20s in some spots, but mostly 30s across much of the state. Across the state so far, we're seeing temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 50s. A few spots sitting around 60, Williamsport seeing about 62, and this temperature trend will continue as we head into tomorrow, but will be a little bit warmer as we have a southerly wind coming in through tomorrow. Current radar and satellite, of course, is showing absolutely nothing as we don't have any clouds really to speak of, except for just a few in the western portion of the state with that daytime heating allowing for those clouds to build up. But otherwise, we're seeing mostly sunny conditions. Now, as we zoom on out, we got to watch for this next system here. There is a low pressure system situated in central Canada and a cold front attached to it. This will eventually strengthen and move its way eastward towards the northeast. Now, it won't be a total washout with the showers associated with this cold front, but it will certainly bring chances for some precipitation as we head into tomorrow. Notice by tomorrow morning we do have again the risk of high clouds. Watch these southerly winds though. This will help bring up those temperatures as the day goes on. Now heading into the afternoon, we do have the possibility of a couple showers just ahead of the cold front, but the main system does not begin to move in until about Tuesday night here, with the main batch of showers lingering in the western portions of Pennsylvania by early morning hours on Wednesday. Once this begins to move out, we look at the wind switch to the northwest, bringing a little bit of colder air, and we're going to be left with mainly cloudy conditions across State College here. Now, there is the possibility that some sun does peek out, but again, with the northwesterly wind and showers possible associated with the cold air above us, it's going to allow for the cloud cover to stick around, but our temperatures will be falling off as we head into Wednesday. Now, as we head later into the work week, notice that we have this clockwise spin here, and that's indicative of a high pressure system that will be situated over the northeast. Heading into Friday here, notice that this counterclockwise spin eventually moves its way off the coast, and we're still dominated by that high pressure system, and we're essentially cloudless heading into Friday evening. Now the next system begins to move in on Saturday, as we do have once again another low pressure system moving in. Won't be a total washout again, but again another risk of rain showers as we head into the weekend. Now heading later into the weekend, into later in the work week, for now, we'll be under a trough for this week, but as we head later into Friday and into Saturday, notice that the ridge, these oranges and yellows, begin to build up into our region, and that's indicative that we'll be seeing a little bit warmer temperatures. Notice here as we head into Sunday and even into Monday, this ridge kind of meanders and stays around in our region, meaning that our temperatures are really going to start to build and potentially become above average as we head into the next work week. But for tonight, we're going to be pretty chilly so far. We're going to have what's called radiational cooling, which allows for the radiation from the ground, all that energy, to escape up to space because we have an absence of clouds. Clouds like to keep the temperatures much warmer and act kind of like a space heater or blanket at night. Patchy frost, again, winds light and variable, so it's going to allow for that radiation to escape up to space. Now tomorrow, notice 66 degrees. The south wind's really going to help allow those temperatures to build, but clouds will be building in ahead of our front later into tomorrow evening. And finally, your 7-day forecast will be a bit of a roller coaster here in terms of precipitation, with our first system moving in on Wednesday, bringing us some scattered showers. But Friday and Saturday are looking to be one of the better days as we head later into the work week. Saturday and Sunday will be a little bit rainier as we have the next work system moving in, but look at our temperatures, 60 and potentially 73 degrees on Sunday as we have the ridge building in. I'm student meteorologist Pham. Have a great Monday.